Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to create a random generator. Why am I speaking so fast? I don't know. Okay, anyway, let's create a random generator password. Whenever you like, sometimes if you want to enter a password but you can't think in your mind, so we're gonna create that only. So let's begin. So first we're gonna import random. Okay. So first, why am I speaking so fast? I don't know. I think so. I have some leave it. Okay. Import random. We're gonna give a lower letter. We're gonna create a new letter called lower letter equals to, then I'm going to give a quotation. I'm going to write, okay, I've written ABCD, done. Now let's write uppercase, upper letter. I'm going to write upper letter. Okay, upper letter. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, done. Okay, we have done for uppercase. Now I'm going to do for number. Enter a number. Okay, now I'm going to do this simple 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, next number, then I'm going to write a symbols. So generally in a password I use a underscore. You can keep whenever, so I'll just keep a bracket just in okay, then I'm going to keep um yeah, basically I can keep these, a question, a a dot. Yeah, I can keep it all. I think so. These are generally allowed. So I'm done basically. So let's begin. So last one we're gonna write here password and enter. I'm creating a new variable here. So enter. Then I'm gonna give it variable. Okay, now I have to give my variable. So I'm gonna write no, it's actually I'd write here int, because we're going in this command we're actually doing is we're gonna ask how many digits will be it. Like most website may say 20 is the maximum, 100 is the maximum, whatever. Okay, we're gonna give 20 int, then we're gonna keep here again input in outer bracket, of course, in input input. Nice. Then we're gonna keep in the inside bracket, we'll say enter the enter how the how enter the character character why do I spell character limit. Okay, I'm gonna keep here colon so it looks more human language. Okay, I'm gonna save it just in case. Okay, and I'm gonna keep in create all, of course, and another variable calling all equals to. So we're gonna just take the lower letter, upper letter, combine it, and keep a random password, right? So I write here lower letter. Then I'm gonna add the upper letter, then plus number plus and what we have in last symbols. So basically if you kept like this now and just ran the program, it won't do much now actually. Let us run it. Okay, enter character limit. This won't do anything yet. 3 and nothing. And and also if you want this all, of course it won't print this also. If you want to print it, print a all. Now if I just write this and leave it, it will just print and run. It will print everything here, but we don't want that now, right? See, it's gonna print everything together, which of course we can't do that, right? So of course we're gonna remove the print command. Also we need random thing. Okay, we can't keep every password same. If a hacker comes inside, we can't do anything, like basically. Okay, so of course we're going to create a length. We're going to give a new variable called length, and we're going to tell you how many letters it can take. Since we have give here a variable called password dot enter, so it's going to refer this only, password dot enter. Then it's going to ask, so this is the last line you can call. So I'm going to create a password equals, so this is the main password. So we're going to keep here in the bracket, means in apostrophe. This means that the what your password should come here, then join, then it's going to join it. then means it should join all the random numbers and thing. Then we have to write here random dot sample. It's like a sample, right? So sample, then again inside that a new bracket, I'm going to write all. So what should it take in the sample, right? We should tell that also, right? So I'm telling it all to take all the everything in the sample, and all I have tell you everything. Of course we can't take every letter, and I'm going length. So it should, however, it should figure out that it should take this much length. Where's the length command, right? So password enter. So password enter, the it should figure out in nine. If I give it 9 characters, however, figure out and give it in 9 characters. So basically it's done here only. Just I can just write here print password, and this is done. Not password. But if you want like more human language, let's first see if it works. And the character limit 3, and we got here. But if you want more human language, to say, so we can write print your password is, and I'm going to keep it put not this, sorry, here. Then I'm going to keep here a means a comma, and I'm going to write here password. So in just 10 lines of code, we have created our software. So let's run it. Enter character limit. So my character, I'm thinking it 10 characters I need. Oh, nice! I got a convenient password for my Google account, so no one can hack it again. Okay, so this is the how you create under 10 lines. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, and thanks for main thanks for 100,000 views on the video. I'm creating something. I'm thinking to make something big for that, because we got 1,000 views, and I'm thinking for 100,000 views there are going to be two videos. Yeah, two 1,000 video, 1,000 views, you get two videos. One is a special program which I can't reveal it yet. I'm still in making it. So once I'm building it completely, it will done. And the second is we are going to do a Q&A, so you can ask questions below if you want to. If it's your wish, if you want to, if you ask questions, I'm gonna answer in my next video. And so we can do that like that. Then, and also in the later, I think so after 2 weeks I'm gonna do that. I can give a small hint that is related to Apple Siri. It's related a bit to Apple Siri, so you can try to get a point what I'm saying. Apple Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, whatever is there on the board. So it's a bit related to that. Okay, I think I gave the biggest hint I can. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share your wish actually. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.